Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2074 indicates a problem with the Manifold Absolute Pressure (MAP) sensor signal, where the output value is lower than expected during specific vehicle conditions. The MAP sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the pressure within the intake manifold, which is essential for the engine control module, ECM, to regulate fuel injection and ignition timing effectively for optimal engine performance. In the Honda CR-V 2023 Plus, the MAP sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, making it easily accessible for inspection and testing. When the ECM detects that the MAP sensor output deviates significantly from the expected pressure values as determined by the barometric pressure, baro, and turbocharger boost sensors, it triggers this Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC. It is important to address this code promptly, as it may lead to decreased engine performance, increased emissions, and poor fuel economy due to incorrect air-fuel mixture ratios. Various diagnostic tools, like the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, are used to monitor the sensor outputs and help identify real-time issues, thus guiding effective repair strategies. The error associated with DTC P2074 points to an abnormal reading from the MAP sensor, which plays a key role in providing pressure readings critical for the vehicle's performance. The engine's ECM, or engine control module, relies on input from the MAP sensor, along with the baro and turbocharger sensors, to adjust fuel injection and ignition timing. If the MAP sensor's output diverges from expected values under specified conditions, this is indicative of a fault. The MAP sensor's typical position is on the intake manifold, making it vital to understanding the airflow dynamics. This code impacts other engine operations, as accurate readings are essential for achieving the complete combustion of air and fuel. Therefore, rectifying this issue is crucial for enjoying a well-functioning and efficient vehicle. The next logical steps involve direct inspection of the MAP sensor functionality to ensure it operates within the approved parameters. Several potential causes may lead to the triggering of DTC P2074. The most straightforward explanation could be a failure within the MAP sensor itself. If the sensor is faulty, it may not relay accurate data to the ECM, resulting in miscalculations and performance issues. Another potential cause includes problems in the wiring or connections leading to the MAP sensor, which may result in poor signals or even disruptions in communication. Faults in the wiring harness and connectors must be thoroughly assessed, as corrosion or frayed wires can lead to significant issues. Lastly, an unexpected malfunction within the ECM itself can result in incorrect readings derived from the sensor inputs. Understanding these causes lays the groundwork for systematic troubleshooting and ultimately resolves the underlying issue causing the DTC. The symptoms accompanying DTC P2074 can significantly impact the driving experience. One notable symptom is an observable decline in engine performance, which can manifest as sluggish acceleration, poor throttle response, or even engine stalling. These performance issues often stem from the ECM's incorrect calculations due to flawed MAP sensor data affecting fuel delivery. Additionally, owners might notice poor fuel economy. Precisely balanced air-fuel ratios are essential for maintaining optimal fuel efficiency. If the MAP sensor signals lower than expected reading, it can negatively influence the combustion process, thereby increasing fuel consumption and costs. Lastly, an increase in exhaust emissions could occur as a result of an overly rich or lean fuel mixture caused by inaccurate sensor readings, leading to potential failure in emissions testing and contributing to environmental pollution. It is critical to monitor these symptoms and conduct thorough diagnostics. The first troubleshooting step involves initially starting the engine to prepare it for diagnostic procedures. After firing up the engine, it is required to hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without placing any load on it, such as during park, P, or neutral, N settings. This stage ensures that the engine attains a stable operating condition, necessary for accurate data acquisition. You must maintain this speed until the radiator fan engages, which indicates that cooling systems are reacting as expected under load conditions. Following this, allow the engine to idle for a minimum of 5 seconds to collect baseline operating data for assessment. This phase is pivotal in establishing whether the MAP sensor performance aligns with expected norms during engine operation. Close monitoring of the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, during this process helps prepare you for further confirmations of any fault codes that may arise. Following the initial engine examination, the next crucial step is to test drive the vehicle while adhering to specific conditions. During this test, it is essential to ensure that the engine speed remains above 1,700 RPM, which simulates real-world driving scenarios that the vehicle would commonly experience. Set the transmission to drive, D, to facilitate proper acceleration and operational conditions without compromising vehicle safety. Additionally, confirm that the real-time throttle position, REL-TP, sensor displays readings above 42.2 degrees. This step ensures that the vehicle is under sufficient load and minimizes the impact of any potential variables that can obscure results. Subsequently, monitor the HDS for any instances of DTC P2074 to determine if it reappears under these operating conditions. Successful navigation through these procedures helps set the foundation for diagnosing the MAP sensor's integrity accurately. In the third step of the troubleshooting process, the vehicle must be powered to the on mode, but not necessarily started. This mode allows for essential electrical systems to be activated without engaging the engine. Next, use the HDS to access and confirm the readings from both the MAP sensor, high res, and the turbocharger boost pressure. These readings are vital, and the normal operational principle dictates that the values of both sensors should differ by less than 30.6 kPa, corresponding to approximately 9.0-inch Hg or 230 mm Hg, confirming their functioning synchronously. If the readings reveal a larger discrepancy than expected, it flags a possible malfunction within the MAP sensor or indicates potential signaling issues. Conducting this test not only helps narrow down the location of the fault, but also clarifies whether the mapping strategies for diagnosing the DTC are appropriate for subsequent evaluations. Remain vigilant for any abnormal results that could warrant further inspections or repairs. The final troubleshooting step involves conducting a functional inspection of the MAP sensor itself to validate its operational integrity. First, record the current values of the MAP sensor as shown in the data list on the HDS to establish a baseline for its operational performance. After this logging, start the engine and allow it to idle. This idling phase is crucial as it provides the necessary context for how the MAP sensor reacts in a no-load engine condition. After establishing idle, check the readings from the HDS for the MAP sensor, high res. In normal operational conditions, the MAP sensor values should vary by more than 0.67 kilopascals, equivalent to about 0.2-inch hay or 5 millimeters of Hegre. Such changes confirm that the MAP sensor accurately reflects engine conditions, which is critical for correct air-fuel mixtures. If the readings do not display this required variance, it indicates that the MAP sensor is not functioning properly and requires replacement or further inspection for wiring or connector issues. After addressing the underlying issues that triggered DTC P2074, it is vital to perform a final repair verification to ensure successful resolution of the problem. Initially, clear the DTC through the HDS, which resets the monitoring system and prepares it for fresh diagnostic evaluations. Once cleared, conduct a test drive under varied driving conditions to properly assess the vehicle's performance. During this phase, actively monitor the system for any reappearance of the DTC. Ensure that the engine exhibits stable performance, meets expected fuel economy standards, and operates within acceptable emissions levels. Keeping an eye out for any odd engine behavior during this stage is also essential, as it assures that all components function harmoniously. Successful verification not only confirms completion of repairs, but ensures driver safety and vehicle reliability. To mitigate the risks of encountering DTC P2074 in the future, engaging in routine preventive maintenance becomes essential. Regular inspections of the MAP sensor, wiring, and associated connectors are crucial to identify potential issues before they escalate into significant failures. Cleaning the connectors can help prevent signaling issues that often arise due to corrosion or dirt buildup, which can cause erroneous readings and contribute to DTC triggers. Moreover, consistently monitoring vehicle performance, including responsiveness and fuel economy, enables drivers to catch irregularities early. Staying informed about vehicle performance thresholds and being proactive in addressing maintenance checks extend the life of the MAP sensor and related components significantly. Establishing a preventive maintenance schedule can help ensure optimal function and enhances the overall lifespan of the vehicle's engine systems. To summarize, DTC P2074 signifies an abnormal output from the MAP sensor that significantly impacts engine performance. Understanding its implications is crucial for timely repairs and maintaining vehicle efficiency. The diagnostic process involves several key troubleshooting steps, beginning with functional inspections and driving assessments to monitor the sensor performance under varied conditions. Each step systematically narrows down the root cause of the problem, enabling effective solutions to restore optimal sensor functionality. Preventive maintenance strategies discussed, such as regular inspections and cleaning techniques, help safeguard against future occurrences of this DTC, ensuring long-term vehicle reliability. Caring for the MAP sensor and related components is important, as it directly influences engine performance and drives overall efficiency. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.